it's me, and today we're playing Piggy, and I'm the Piggy, and I'm Yarali's friend. So, yeah, I see somebody, and I'm Memory Piggy. So this is my favorite game. Some people say it's boring, but I don't think it's boring. And yeah, I can't crouch. Nobody will find that Ras is not here. Okay, so I want to go here and I'm going to set a trap there so that way they don't see. Let's see. You are not gonna kill me, old piggy. Yeah, you are not. You are never. She's trying to kill me in this mall. Oh, I see somebody. Ay, I killed her. ¿Cómo yo? Ay, yo te voy a coger. Sorry. I'm trying to take a girl. Oh, what is this? I want to find out. Mira, why you here? Don't find the grass. Okay, she stepped on a trap bed. Okay. Oh, there's a vent there. What's in there? Oh my, what? There's a mouse in there. I think if you go in the vet, they kill you. Yeah, I think. Ok, vamos aquí. Oh my God, ¿por qué toda la gente se come? Okay. I think they're trying to hide from me. That's never gonna happen with Jakalinda. Sorry, I call myself Jakalinda. Pakalika. Where are they? Where they are? I can hear my friend. It's like living with a zoo animal sometimes. I bet her whole family feels that. But she's not a zoo animal. She's beautiful. She's my best friend. She sounds like a zoo animal when she's doing TikTok, but that's not a roast or anything. That's not me. Oh my God. And I see people, You think you're not right on my heels? I'm on your heels. Step on it. Step on it. Hiya! You think I'm right on your tails. I'm right on your tails. I kill it. I kill it. wait over here. Uma, come here. Nope. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Because if you're going to stay
temprano. ¿Tú estás bien?
Ay, estoy lo más de chimba, ¿no? Un poquito prendido, amor.
Ay, la. No, he's killed me. And I killed her. Okay. Hold up, I want to go back. Let's see. Let's equip a grandmother. Okay, let's see who is the piggy or the traitor, or I want to do infection. Yeah, let's do infection. Because if I was an infection, I would do it. And don't forget, I want house. Yeah, I want house. Actually, I want mall. Yeah, I want mall. Let's do mall. I love mall. I hate mall. Infection is a zoo animal sometimes. But I'm going to say infection. No, it's player. Oh my god, she's a good person. I walk weird. They ran this way. Hi, Lily. Hi. Sorry, I'm living with my cute doggy. Do you hear my sister and my friend? Well, do you hear my friend the most? Yeah, it's like living in a zoo animal in a cage. It's like living in a cage sometimes. Sometimes it's like living in a cage. It's like living in a cage with a zoo animal sometimes when they scream. That's what I feel like. When I hear every single person screaming, I feel like I'm living with so when people scream, right? I feel like I'm living with them in a cage. I'm living with a zoo animal that screams in a cage. That's how I feel. And this piggy girl, where do I go? I want to follow you. I just need to help you find Piggy. Oh, it's an elephant. I want to go to the mousy place. Do you guys know where the mousy place is? Yeah, I know too, okay, people? Shoot, she's awake. She is awake. Yeah, Ruby. I need to find the girl because I have grass here. Look at this grass. Here, I got you grass to kill Piggy. Why? Kill me. That elephant is a zoo animal. Let's go to traps. What kind of traps do they have? If I had that trap, then I could fool people. That's cool. And also an alarm one. there's small tracks too. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to spectate. I'm ripped person, okay? Don't even think about judging my personality. Yeah. I got a message from TikTok and that and that and that and that and that. She has a lot of messages on her phone. I'm going to delete them all because she's not even clean. She doesn't even erase her messages. I don't know how to say nothing. Piggy's right on that girl's tails.
No me meto en la vida de mis empleados.
Wait, I'm spectating the elephant.
Es que le voy a decir una cosa, ya ven.
I feel like I'm watching, well, I'm not. My titi's watching Queen of Flow, and it's too loud. But, yeah, it's like the TV is the most thing they think about when, yeah.
Además, tengo tantos problemas en este momento que no quiero estar solo.
Hurry up, elephanty. This girl's copier. Okay, copier. I want to leave the game and play another game. Like, I'm going to play another game. Like, let's see. Let's play Meep City. Yeah, let's play Meep City.
Hey, princesa. Muy ocupada.
Okay, I'm in Meep City.
En un rato nos vemos, pues.
And I want to see her outfits. What kind of outfits? Ariana. That's Ariana Grande. That does not look like Ariana Grande. What? Ew. Ew, she's ugly.
Bueno, bizcochito. Compré una
That's
hamburguesita
pretty.
bien ricas con billetico que me levanto para compartir.
Ew, that's ugly. That's more ugly. That's uglier.
Ay, amor, esto es un reloj chino. Eso es de 20 lucas, amor.
I'm going to make her a special outfit.
Es que comete la hamburguesita.
Her outfits are so weird that I cannot keep track of it.
Amor, yo sé que es lo que te había dicho. Fui al hueco, un man allá me ofreció el reloj, me lo
I don't
quería
want
llevar,
to
se
do
lleva
that
lo vendes en
one.
20 lucas,
I want
listo,
to
te
do
los 20
this.
lucas y ya, amor.
Oh, what happened?
Vas a tirar la comida.
What happened?
Mira,
Okay.
te traes la hamburguesita bien chimba, como te gusta. Mira, apanadita,
Okay.
con queso amarillo, lechuguita, pepinillos, poca
So we're going to go
mayonesa.
here.
Come pues. Nada.
I have an idea actually. I'm going to erase it.
¿Ves qué? Eso no está donde cumplida. Ah, para que veas cómo me tenés. Es que con la ley toca así o no. Es que...
Ay, Dios mío.
Ooh, there's this cute rainbow here.
Estás hermosa. Seguí.
Ay, Dios mío.
Yo sé que no está de más que comerte, vas a quitarte sin parar. Sé que tú eres mala y que quiero matar. Bótelo en la boca y quédate callada. Alguien que te cuide porque eres. Alguien que te cuide porque tienes.
Wait, can she buy wings?